We generate a lot of waste. In 2018, just over 26 million tonnes of waste was generated from households in the UK. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 12 relates to responsible consumption and production. This involves using natural resources more responsibly and reducing waste generation through recycling and reuse. Our efforts in recycling have made considerable improvements over the last 20 years to the way we manage waste, but there's still a large amount of unrecycled waste destined for landfill or incineration. Why is this? Well, this depends on the kind of waste being discarded and the viability of the recycling route, and this can vary among product types. With the growth of fast fashion over the years, more clothing is being discarded, sometimes after being worn only a handful of times. Although it is possible to recycle end-of-life clothing, the process of separating fabrics to fibres can be energy intensive and disruptive, and it can lead to recycled fibres with a loss of strength and quality. This means they're often downcycled to lower grade products. Breaking down materials into their individual components is easier for some materials than others. Although many plastics can be recycled, there are some polymer-based materials that can't. There are some great innovations here at the University of Leeds looking at ways to convert waste textiles into smart materials, but there are also some fun and simple ways that you can give life to your old clothes at home, like these dog toys, a great gift for your canine friend or a dog shelter. So first of all, grab some old t-shirts, cut 9 strips from your t-shirts. Split your strips into 3 bundles and braid them, leaving about 4 centimetres at the end. The key to plaiting is to alternate putting the left over the centre and then the right over the centre. Knot the end securely and voila, homemade dog toy. Instead of tying knots at the end, you could even tie several big knots in the centre and make a knotted ball toy. Don't forget, as with all toys for animals, it's important that you supervise your dog while they play. We'd love to see your creations, so take a picture and let us know how you get on using the instructions below.